Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to do another unboxing, and today we are unboxing the Lookfantastic September Beauty Box, and actually this is their birthday edition box. So if you want to see what is it inside, then just keep watching. If you don't know anything about Lookfantastic, this is a monthly beauty subscription that is originally from UK, so they ship it worldwide from UK, and you pay starting from £15 per month, but the price is slightly decreasing if you go for 3, 6 and 12 months subscription. I'm running my regular 12-month subscription and I pay for my box £13, but I do also get some cashback because I'm using the Quidco, which is a online UK cashback retailer. So whenever I sign through Quidco, I do get a additional cash. You might check all the informations down below on my description box. Their boxes are mostly skincare oriented, however you also get makeup, and you do usually get 6 beauty products, either they are full size, travel size, or deluxe travel, or deluxe size, how to say, deluxe travel size, I can tell. So yeah, those are so far the informations, and now I realize that my ring light is stopped. So I don't know if this makes a difference, because since I've started my backdrop, I've noticed that I'm overexposed, so I might decrease the power of the ring light. So I hope in this way I'm not looking too bright. But yeah, this is as far the information goes about the Lookfantastic. I didn't watch any spoiler, I just received it today. We are on September, Julia. We are on September 4th, and I'm not sure if the video will go up today or tomorrow. I will try to do a slightly edited version, so I will not put it non-edited, but this is the box that it arrives. It's a very nice, beautiful baby pink. I actually love how it looks like. And we have a leaflet that tells us about the products inside. And also, oh my god, you won't believe that, the sneak peek for next month is fantastic. I'm wondering why they didn't put it on this month, because it's their birthday box. But however, the September, there should be a mistake, so probably this is the October sneak peek, is the Bitery Baume de Rose Flaconette, worth £14. So what is this? This travel-friendly version of the Bitery signature lip balm combines luxury and protection. Infused with shea butter, rose flower wax and vitamin E, it glides on to the lips effortlessly whilst providing a subtle shine. Perfect for on-the-go nourishment. So this is a lip balm. So I'm really excited to get that for next month. And here on the lid, it is a code. Don't just count the years, make the years count. So this is coated by the Lookfantastic. This is how the box looks like. I told you that I didn't peek inside, and I also haven't seen any sneak peek. And inside are all the products. This is not possible. There is a product here that I was waiting to get in subscription boxes for years, and I didn't get. So I finally purchased one, and now I see that we get one in the beauty box. So I think the fate is playing with me or something. I don't know. Okay, so let's see what they are telling us. I know this is a bit boring part, so please let me know if you want me to skip this part where I'm introducing you the actual content. So, and now I realize that I haven't plugged my mic. Today I'm useless. This September the beauty box turns 6. So happy birthday, Lookfantastic! We want to celebrate with all our lovely subscribers, and we hope our birthday edition box lends a helping hand. Our September box is full of amazing products, from luxury cosmetics to cult favorite skincare. And there is an even exciting facial tool thrown in the mix. In this month's Beauty Box edit, we are bringing you an exclusive interview with Lux's founder. Okay, so first product, it is a variation. Let's see what I've got. Cool, so I got the Illamasqua Mini OMG Highlighter, or you could also get the Balm Mini Mary Luminizer, which I'm really excited and happy that I didn't got, because I already have another the Balm Mini Luminizer, so this is coming better for me. So this is the outer packaging. Isn't that pretty? Look at it, guys. This is really pretty. And the sheen is really subtle, so it is exactly on my alley. So I think we are good friends from now on. So get an enviable glow with those gorgeous highlighters, both with a shimmering champagne hue to complement your complexion. Perfect for your illuminating the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow. Next, we have the ESPA Natural Beauty Inner Calm. This is a pink hair and scalp mud or mud. Intensive treatment mask to condition and nourish your hair and scalp. Okay, so here is also a variation. So you could get this from ESPA, this hair and scalp mud, or you could also get the purifying micellar cleanser. Now I will say that I'm not really bummed that I got this one, because I have a lot of micellar water that I need to go through, so maybe it will be nice. I will keep you updated about that. But these ESPA products are sure to help you feel revived and refreshed. So they also did another variation for this month, even though they say they didn't, so that's strange, because I heard some spoilers that this September box shouldn't be 2 variations, but maybe I didn't got the right information. So the pink hair and scalp mud is a rich hair treatment that works to deeply condition to leave you with silky soft locks. The micellar cleanser is a gentle facial cleanser designed to remove makeup and impurities whilst balancing and conditioning your skin. How to use? Pink hair and scalp mud massage into scalp and throughout damp hair. Leave for 20 minutes. Then rinse. Micellar cleanser. Soak a cotton pad with cleanser and sweep over face and neck morning and night. So we all know how to use a micellar cleanser. Today is my wash day hair, and by the way, my hair looks like crazy. Okay, so this is actually pink and doesn't have any rubbing particles to it, so it also smells nice. But yeah, this is the second product from this box. Next, we have the sneak peek from the last month, and this is the ELEMIS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I have it in the full size before. I have used a full jar of this, and the full size is actually 30 ml, so it's quite pricey. So the Pro Collagen Marine Cream on 15 mils retails for £30. So I told you guys it's quite pricey. This ELEMIS anti-aging cream uses the maximum concentrations of Padina pavonica, a powerful marine extract, to completely transform your skin. Its antioxidant properties improve collagen production to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Apply daily to cleanse skin, massaging over face and neck. Okay, I think this is sealed, and I'm not going to open it because I already know how it looks and how it smells. I can tell you that if you are a person that doesn't love fragrance on their skincare, you won't like this cream, because the first time when I had it also on the travel size, I didn't like it. I use it as a hand cream, and then I heard so many people say that they are enjoying using this. Then the next time when I got it, I properly use it, and I will tell you that after a couple of time of uses you will get used with the actual powerful fragrance, which is not a bad fragrance, but it is a bit overpowering, I can tell that. Coming back to the next product, this is, oh, I think this is a bonus. So it's a stuff that you can stick it somewhere, so it has a sticky part, and it contains the Lookfantastic Beauty Box logo. So I'm thinking where I should put this, because it is nice. I don't know what it's doing, what it's supposed to do. The next product, wow, it's a brand that I have seen it around to one of my luxury stores here in Czech Republic. They carried this on Douglas, and it's by Diego Dalla Palma, and this is a high-end brand. So mini lip pencil. I would not say this is a mini by any means. Okay, shade 80, antique pink, worth £9.32. This Diego Dalla Parma. This Diego Dalla Parma lip pencil has a precise tip to really define the lips and a strong color payoff. When blending all over the lips, the matte finish will last for hours. Ooh, this is so my type of shade. It looks similar, maybe a bit darker, with my all-time favorite by the Dior Cosmetics. Just I find this a bit more dry in formula, but it's not bad. But I'm really chuffed that I finally get a lip pencil on a beauty box that I will really love to use, because they are either too dark or they are too nude for my actual taste. So yeah, this is a good and useful product for me. I suppose we are now at the last product that I told you that I bought one, and now I'm getting in a beauty box. So I'm really, I don't know if I'm upset, because the one that I bought, and it will come in my second part of the sales haul, that one is really small. So it's nice that I got a dual-ended one, and now I'm almost kissing myself that I didn't bought the one that it was also in two sides. But yeah, this is by Brushworks, and it's a jade roller worth £9.99. To really take your skincare regimen to the next level, this Brushworks facial roller is exactly what you need. Working to elevate puffiness and tension in the face, this tool is great for massaging your favorite serums, moisturizers and face masks into the skin. Roll over your favorite serums, moisturizer, face mask for 5 minutes daily. This is how it looks like. It's really pretty, and wow, this is so cool and relaxing. And I've heard people saying they are even keeping this on the freezer to have it even more efficient for your depuffing. If you have puffiness underneath your eyes, I usually have this in the morning, so I think I will really enjoy this one. As I told you, I bought a mini one last week from Vienna, but yeah, that one I will keep it for travel, whenever I will travel, but this I will keep it on my bathroom. I'm really chuffed about this box. I think it's one of my favorites of the year. And I have seen we should have another product, which I apparently missed it. It's hidden somewhere here on the box, yeah, because I was just checking the leaflet. I thought that we have already 6 products, but the one was the bonus for the month. So the 6th product is a brush from the Luxie. And I'm really happy that Lookfantastic started to add more Luxie brushes on their boxes. So this is the Luxie brush number 209, the large shader, and this is coming really perfect for me because I do not have so many shader brushes. Usually my obsession with brushes are the blending brushes. I do not have so many shader brushes, but this is coming handy. So let me tell you how much it retails. So the large shader brush 209 retails for £15. Ooh, so this is a lot of money. I don't know if I would pay that for getting this. For sure I will have a doubt, maybe I'll get it on sale also. Suitable for use with both cream and powder eyeshadows, this soft synthetic luxy eye brush will be a great addition to your beauty toolkit. So now just to do a short recap, what we've got on this September edition, birthday edition box from Lookfantastic. So we got a luxy brush, a Brushworks Jade Facial Roller. We've got a ESPA hair and scalp mud treatment. We've got a ELEMIS Pro Collagen cream, Diego dalla Palma lip liner, and a Illamasqua highlighter. And this small thing, which I don't know exactly what is this purpose, maybe I will check Claire's video and she will have more information about this, and I will leave down below on the description box what I'm supposed to do with this sticker, where I should put it. So this is the content that we got in Lookfantastic September Beauty Box, which is their birthday edition box. So I'll be really curious what you got this month, so I'm completely satisfied with what I got. Now it's your turn to let me know down below on the description box if you are interested to purchase this box, and yeah, if it is a box that it fulfills your fantasies. And I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, and you can follow me on my social that is always linked down below. Have a great blessed day, thank you so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. I don't usually like to use a hair scalp. Okay, so just now do a short recap. What we've got on the September box edition. Really?
Okay.